In this video, we will try to understand the basics of Power BI service and log into Power BI service account and look at the major features. And once you start creating reports in Power BI desktop, you can publish them onto cloud service, which is called as Power BI service, so that you can share them among intended audience, among the users. So usually a designer or creator will take care of all these things once you publish the report. But it's always a good idea to understand what is Power BI service, right? So you can look at the documentation and try to understand the basics, and there are a couple of important terms you have to understand. What is visualization, semantic model, etc., dashboard. So it's pretty easy to understand. It's not a big deal. And once you understand the basics, and once we start using Power BI service, it should be easy for you to follow any kind of documentation and try to create the content so that it can be shared among the users in your organization. And it all depends upon, you have to understand what is a workspace, and you have to understand what is the capacity, etc. It looks overwhelming initially now, but trust me, once you start using, those terms will be pretty easy for you to understand. So let us try to go to Power BI account. This is app.powerbi.com. Once you use your credentials to sign in, probably your welcome screen might look like this. I've been using for the few days, so I have certain items here. It could be empty for you. There is a navigation pane on the left, home icon, and if you click on Copilot, I don't have an option to use Copilot, and you can always build a report by creating a report using all those available data sources. And if you click on Browse, you have the latest items there, and you can also understand what is a one-lake catalog. It will bring you your content together as you can browse, curate, and govern. So for now, we'll skip them. And also, if you click on, say, apps are collections of dashboards and reports. So you can also create metrics and you can monitor the workspaces. So it's pretty easy. Once you start using it, as I said, you can learn all those things. And there is a real-time hub. You can use it for real-time intelligence. So this is how you can create a workspace and give a name and description, etc. Once you're happy, you can apply so that you have a new workspace and create your workspace so that you can share your content among users. This is a trial account, so all those things have been enabled for me. Let me go to this workspace. You can give access and change access, etc. there. You can always play around with the workspace settings as well, but once you start using and play around, you'll be able to understand all the different components and use the service effectively. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.